This is episode 7, part 3. So we're coming to the end of this earwax removal session. We're just clearing up on the sides using a fine end suction probe, which is a really small one that was mentioned. You can see here I'm peeling away some earwax and mixture of skin as well, just off the canal walls. And in the distance you can see the eardrum, so it's that grey bluish coloured seashell shape. Seashell shape in the distance. That one. Anyway, just coming to the end of the video now. You're starting to see the eardrum's full shape. There is going to be some speckles of earwax scattered around, and we're not going to be able to get every last bit. We're working very close to the eardrum, so this is very delicate, and we just need to be careful here. We're just scraping a little bit off the side, and once we're done we can see a nice view of the eardrum. I'm happy with that. Patient can hear better, and that's the end of the treatment. So thank you.